I'm going to be showing some really fun new papers that Fancy Pants Design has revamped. I remember like a little bit while back I told you they were revamping their line. So I'm going to show you what they have, and it's so cute, and I feel like it's really unique compared to other lines. So I'm looking forward to working with them. And I'm going to also have a 10% discount code in my description. So let's start with Memory Lane. So, sorry for the paper, but I have so many kits, I've got to keep them all together in my room. Okay, so this is going to be Memory Lane. Now, Memory Lane is really pretty and muted, and the papers are double-sided. And they have a really great texture to them, but look, it's so vintage-like looking and very feminine and delicate. Really, really going to enjoy this for a mini album. And we've got this. Loving that. And then with the collection, they're also in this packet right here. You also get the enamel dots, which match perfect, and these beautiful little cards and tags. So you can see how pretty, and I love that they have like this vintage look to them. I can open a few for you. So if you're not inspired, this pack will certainly inspire you. But you can just see some of the really pretty tags. I think anyone will really enjoy this design. Junk journalers or just like regular snail mail. So loving that. And bird lovers, I know there's a lot of bird lovers. And then they also have the, you know, little die cut pieces, which are these right here. Oh, I'm getting the worst lighting in my room. I'm gonna fix it after my husband comes home. So let me show you some of the pieces. And I like this because it's muted. But you can see like it even replicates like these cute little birds and just so pretty. So that's some of the dies. And then also we've got these really adorable, adorable puffy stickers. And I love it. It kind of gives me like something out of a storybook. So that is going to be Memory Lane. Okay, next up, since it is the season really close, let's do the Halloween. So Halloween is going to be called Happy Halloween. Again, gotta open this. I hope I don't get them mixed up. So Happy Halloween, again, they come with enamel dots, and you have little tags and little like file things, but you can see here, really, really sweet little packet here of tags. I like these tags a lot. I just feel like it has more detail than some other tags. And then we've got the paper, which is super Halloween-y. I am just so excited. I've already gotten Halloween stuff, you guys. I mean, I've been ready since July. I just love the holidays, and I feel really, really inspired during the holidays too. If you notice, I always pump out a bunch of holiday videos. So adorable Halloween paper, and then again, some more little puffy stickers, and awesome, awesome little die cuts here. I don't know if you guys can see in this room, but again, I am working on that. But look at how cute. I am loving this little guy with the, like, he's like a hot chocolate, but in a skull head. That's really cute. So love that too. All right. And then last, since the next season will be Christmas, this is going to be Cookies for Kringle. So this is really fun paper. Let me open this. I think you guys are going to really like this one because this has like a vintage feel to it. So let me show you the tags tags and cards, but look at how cute, and they're very vintagey. Let me open this up. But look here. I love this. I just like have this thing for lettering like this, especially at Target. If I see something with it, I just have to get it. But, and then look at these cute tags already cut out for you. So if you don't have like a tag die. And then the little vintage spatula, adorable. Just really, really, really cute. And you see how it like literally is a vintage print. I love that. And then, of course, the enamel dots to match. And then the papers, which I love because it has florals, but it's Christmas. So you've got candy canes and florals. So you can't beat those two together. And the little gingerbread cutouts or cookie cutouts. And look at this print. Very vintage here. And even the florals, especially, I love these two together. These are like so pretty. And I love this minty color that I feel like you don't get a lot of, and it gives you that retro feel. And then the flowers, and this is pretty too. And then the stickers are just adorable. I love baking in the winter. I've noticed I don't like baking in the summer. I love baking in the winter just to warm up the house. And then look at the cute vintage cutouts. It literally looks like one of those magazines. And let me show you some of them because they're so sweet. Just look at these. How cute, right? And the cookies, and they're like almost realistic looking, and I just love it. It's so cute. And then the milk and the books. This is just adorable. So anyway, these are the sets that just got released, and I'm going to link the site and the code, and you will see me using these in some fun projects soon. All right, guys, thank you so much.